Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa and I make videos about Japan. Today we are going to explore the wonderful Hokkaido. If it's your first time there, then you have to visit this place called Hell Valley. It is located in Noboribetsu and we are going to take the bus there today. First I'm going to Esther to get some food for the bus ride. Most department stores have markets located on the basement level offering a wide variety of ready-to-eat foods like onigirazu, rice balls called onigiri, savory and fruit sandwiches, and my favorite bentos. The bus will take us directly to the hot spring hotel in Noboribetsu, which I will cover in another video because it is seriously amazing. Oh, look at this! We've got gobo rice, edamame rice, a sweet pumpkin here with fish cake and meatball, and pickles. It's so pretty! And what's in here? I got a fruit sandwich. As weird as it sounds, it's really popular in Japan and it's incredibly good. Look at the size of that. Strawberries in Japan are really sweet and juicy. They're definitely worth the price. The bus ride from Sapporo City takes around 1 hour. The view is very enjoyable along the way. All that snow and beautiful blue sky. Okay, we're here and the blue sky's gone. Noboribetsu is Japan's most famous hot spring resort. They have some of the best therapeutic hot spring waters in Japan. Why? Because they have a phenomenal volcanic valley situated just above the town, which is the source of its outstanding thermal waters. That valley is called Jigokudani, or Hell Valley. We're going to walk up to it now. All over town there are demon statues like this. They are legendary inhabitants in Hell Valley who protect the precious hot springs. There are 11 demon spots in Noboribetsu and each of them is unique. This one is the Praying Demon Shrine. There's a little service center at the foot of Hell Valley, which is right over here. Jigokudani Hell Valley is a 24-acre smoking crater of geothermal activity created by a volcanic eruption of Mount Kutara 20,000 years ago, leaving countless holes of all sizes that shoot up boiling water with a roar, resembling hell. We're going to walk down into the valley using that pathway over there to take a closer look at the boiling lakes. It's okay today, but sometimes this walkway is covered with ice and super slippery. Yeah, I slipped a few times already. Rusty mountains surround sulfur mud ponds and hot rivers that flow down into the town of Noboribetsu. At the end of the path lies Tessen Pond, which has properties said to be good for the eyes. The water erupts around every 10 minutes and smells intensely of sulfur. A small river flows in the middle of Hell Valley with water of various hot springs pouring in and mixing together. The different minerals and properties of the hot springs form a greyish color when combined, which is why the water looks like that. The formal spas date back to the 19th century and were used as hospitals for wounded soldiers. Today it is known as a hot spring resort town boasting many different kinds of mineral thermal waters. I really want to head down there, but it's dangerous, so don't go beyond the walkway. This place is very different to the usual picturesque Mount Fuji views, but I think it is amazing in its own way. It's like uncovering the mysteries of the earth. It truly is a great experience. Let's do the short hike up to the observatory. It's the shortest hiking route out of 3 options and takes around 30 minutes. The other ones take 2 to 4 hours. We're at the top of the first trail now. It's so nice and quiet here. The other 2 trails will lead you to a hot spring foot bath and a mystic crystal lake, which we are going to explore with our drone. Oh, there's already another drone guy here. Alright, are you ready? The views of Jigokudani Hell Valley in Hokkaido is absolutely breathtaking. Here is the mystic crystal lake that you can reach after hiking 4 hours. It is called Lake Kutara. This lake has one of the top-rated quality waters in Japan. If you choose the 2-hour hiking route, you will come to this beauty called Oyunuma, a super high temperature hot spring lake. Oyunuma is a sulfur spring with temperatures around 50 degrees, yet it can gush out water as hot as 130 degrees Celsius. Maybe I'll do the 2-hour hike one day. But with just the shortest 30-minute route, it has left me with a precious experience, and I was already able to see and feel the power of the volcanic activity already. I'm spending a bit more time hanging around the observatory area. I really love snow. We don't get that where I live. Does it snow where you are? Let me know what it's like in the comments down below. I'm heading back down before it gets dark. I've walked down the valley at night before. They have lights, but it's really creepy. In a cool way. And there's literally no one around. This is the way down. The walk back to the hotel takes around 10 minutes and I'm really cold. It started snowing. It's so beautiful. And this is the view from outside our room. Snow's coming into the room. Okay. These are the places that we covered today on foot and with the drone. Other attractions include the Jigoku Festival, meaning Hell Festival. It's held during the last weekend of every August. They have demon floats, demon costume parades, taiko performance, and amazing firework displays. So if you're around in the summer, pay a visit. If you want to see more videos about Japan, remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Let me know if you want to visit this place or have you been here before. I'd love to hear about it. Smash that like button and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!